Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming compatibility and deciding what to engrave. Choose the exact characters and check limits, since some models allow emojis and others restrict length. Once decided, select the engraving option during checkout on the Apple Store or an authorized reseller. This is where you pick font and placement. Make sure your shipping and billing address match your Apple ID to avoid delays, and keep order confirmation handy. After you submit, Apple will process engraving before shipping, which adds processing time. You now enter and proof the engraving text. Type slowly and double-check spelling and capitalization because engraved text is final. Use the on-screen mockup to preview placement and adjust spacing or punctuation to avoid awkward breaks. Once satisfied, confirm the engraving and finalize payment. Make sure to note the updated delivery estimate. Engraving usually adds processing time. If you need faster delivery, remove engraving to expedite shipping. Otherwise, wait for the engraved product to be manufactured and shipped to you. When your package arrives, inspect the engraving on the case for accuracy and surface quality before discarding packaging. If you find a spelling error, misalignment, or defect, document it with clear photos and contact Apple support immediately with your order number. They handle engraved item issues case by case. Make sure you retain original packaging and receipts, since returns or replacements rely on Apple's engraving policy. If support requests the product back, follow their instructions for return shipping and replacement timelines.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.